I really feel that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen to showcase the people of Gaza and the level of their iman, to show us where they are and where we are. People are just shocked with their level of resilience. But where's it coming from? It's coming from the strength of their iman, the connection to Allah, which a lot of us have lost. This is a time for us to be really turning back to the Quran. The Quran is your healing in these times. All right, that your Quran is your ultimate healing. We're also seeing, subhanAllah, a multitude of people wanting for the first time to read the Quran or find out about Al-Islam. So as much as this is extremely painful to go through, we have to also put our trust in Allah, that there is a huge wisdom in why Allah has allowed for this to take place. And also remember as well that, subhanAllah, Allah only tests those whom He loves.